Dr. Bhim Ambedkar converted to Buddhism along with his thousands of followers on this very day, October 14th. By 1935, he publicly announced that he was going to renounce the religion in which he was born. Dr. Ambedkar said in 1935, "I solemnly assure you that I will not die a Hindu." Dr. Ambedkar studied for several years before deciding that Buddhism is the perfect match for the marginalized community. And on November 14th, 1956, he converted to Buddhism in Nagpur. The question is that why did Ambedkar choose Buddhism? Why did Ambedkar believe that conversion is emancipatory? In the Hindu right-wing thinking, conversion is seen as something which is posing threat to social harmony and national integrity. However, when Adivasis, minorities, if they are converted to Hinduism, the same Hindu right celebrate it as Ghar Wapsi. So on this occasion of Ambedkar's mass conversion to Buddhism, which he termed as an act of liberation, let's remember Baba Sahib Ambedkar's thought. Why did he convert? And here I am going to give you 5 important quotes from Ambedkar's writing on conversion. They will give you some idea about what was happening in his mind. Why did he choose Buddhism? Ambedkar said, "The Hindus have no sense of brotherhood towards you. You are treated worse than foreigners." So Ambedkar is basically here saying that the depressed classes, untouchables, are denied their basic rights, their basic human rights in caste Hindus, and they are treated like animals, like foreigners. At one place he has said that they are treated not better than leper. So the basic argument of Ambedkar is that since human rights are denied, so this religion is not suitable for their well-being. Ambedkar then said, "Do not keep company with those who believe that the God is omnipresent, but treat men worse than animals. They are hypocrites." So basically, you might have seen that many people say that they are very religious, they even feed ant, they are very much animal lovers, but when it comes to treating human beings equally, they run away, they show their caste mentality. So Ambedkar is basically attacking those who are very religious, but in their social behavior they are anti-Dalits. Then Ambedkar said, as long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by law to you is of no avail. This line is also very important. It is in somehow critique of liberal political theory, that even if a state is treating its subject as per the law, if people are equal before a state, before rule of the law, but if society is unequal, then it will not give justice to the marginalized community. So here the social inequality is underscored by Ambedkar, and he is saying that the liberal political system, even if it is giving you equal political rights, if the social inequality is not addressed, then the marginalized community is not going to get justice. That is why he decided to convert to Buddhism, because he believed that the basic feature of religion is not superstition, not religious ceremonies, not the omnipresence of God, but welfare, social welfare, brotherhood, fraternity of people. And then he says, Dr. Bhim Ambedkar, for annihilating the caste and the untouchability from among the untouchables, change of religion is the only antidote. So these words are also very important. Hindu rights believe that Dalits converting to Buddhism is something which is posing threat to well-being of the society, harmony of the society. In the upper caste thinking, conversion to Buddhism is basically posing threat to national unity. And if untouchables convert to Christianity or Islam, they become more furious, the caste Hindus, the communal forces. But here Ambedkar is saying that conversion is only solution. Conversion is antidote to the poison which is everywhere, and that poison is spreading from caste based society, where few castes have monopolized everything. They have got all resources, they have got all power, they are controlling lands, they are controlling educations, they are controlling religious and cultural institutions, and the lower caste, the untouchables, they are working as laborers, but they are treated very inhumanly. Then Ambedkar says, the conversion is not a hindrance but a path for strengthening the political safeguards. Here Gandhi and Ambedkar would differ. Gandhi would say that roads to all religion are the same. So instead of changing the religion, one should follow the true path of one's own religion. But here Ambedkar would differ with Gandhi, and he would say, no, it is not like that. Treating all religion equally is not the right way to approach religion. In the writing, in the thinking of Dalit Bahujan philosophers, activists, Periyar, even Phule, even Ambedkar, they would try to create some kind of difference between religion which is promoting equality and religion which is based on inequality. So Dr. Ambedkar is saying that if you convert, you will get your human rights, your political rights, your economic rights, your cultural rights, and there will be a sense of brotherhood. It will be created by that fraternity which is not to be found in the religion, which is based on caste based hierarchy. So Ambedkar then says, I tell you especially that man is not for religion, but religion is for man. That is very important, right? In Ambedkar's thinking, religion is for social well-being. Religion is for creating fraternity. It is not the name of rituals, superstition, priesthood, or omnipresence of God. To become human, convert yourself. Dr. Ambedkar is asking ex-untouchables to get organized, convert yourself. To achieve strength, convert yourself. To secure equality, convert yourself. To get liberty, convert yourself. So you could see here that in caste-based society, equality, liberty, human rights, dignity, they are denied. But once you convert, these will be given. Convert, then you will have all your rights, and then you can fight for creating a just society. This is what Ambedkar is basically saying. And to pay tribute to Ambedkar and his legacy by remembering his words, by following those words in our life, Jai Bhim.